Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Visa gift card to your bank account. So there are many websites you can use, but PayPal is the most preferable website for doing this. So let's go on our PayPal. We'll first of link our Visa card to our PayPal account. So now let's go to wallets. There are different options here. On the topmost section of our PayPal, we can see different options: home, send, wallet, activity, and help. So let's click on wallet. So what we're going to do now is to link our Visa gift card first to our PayPal account. Then we will now link a bank account to our PayPal account. And then we can send money to our PayPal account and then send the money to our bank account and withdraw from our bank account. So let's link our Visa gift card. So when we link our Visa gift card, we follow these steps in linking our Visa gift card. So we input all these necessary details. When we are done with inputting the necessary details, we select our card, Visa card, and then we'll now click on link card. And when we are able to link our Visa gift card to our PayPal account, we'll go back to where it says, it doesn't show on my screen, but on your screen you'll see link a new card and also link a bank account. Then where it shows us link a bank account, we can now click on link a bank account and input all the necessary details we need, including our Visa card details, and then we can now send money from our PayPal account to our bank account. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video.